Hello folks, it's Dave here from DM Online, DaveMenzies.com. If you've got a Mac, you've possibly been getting this really annoying message quite a lot recently. To use the Java command line tool, you need to install a JDK. For more info, click so on. You click that and go through and just nothing happens at all. So I've finally found out how to sort this because it's really been happening quite a lot recently. Did a bit of research today, found a website that talked me through it, and I've got to give these guys credit. They are wintips.org, okay, so that's those guys, and you can look them up if you like, but it's quite a simple thing to do, so I can just talk you through it, because it's really annoying, particularly if you're using a laptop to watch Game of Thrones or something, or Netflix or something, and you're lying in your bed, laptop's over there, this keeps popping up and you have to get up, and it's just annoying, and it has to go. So finally, as it was happening more and more often on my Mac, I decided to fix it today, and I've just done that. I want to share it with you. So really quickly, here's what you do. You need to go into Finder. Okay, so you go over to, on Finder, go to Go, and then scroll down, go to Folder. Okay, and we're looking for this, so it's squiggle /library/launch agents /go. Now I've actually already removed this. You're looking for a file in there which says this. Okay, so it's this area here. Okay, it's actually com/facebook.videochat, your username, which you might find a little confusing. It's not username, it's actually whatever your Facebook username is, .plist. Right click it and move it to trash. Empty the trash and restart. Okay, and when you do that, that file which was there is gone, and that annoying bucking message isn't showing up anymore. So far so good. Hope you find that helpful. Just to confirm, my Mac is Mojave, so it's the latest version, 10.14.4, and it's so far so good. Did that about an hour ago, haven't seen a message so far, and it was popping up every 10-15 minutes, so it looks like maybe that's it. Hope you find that helpful. Feel free to subscribe, leave me some comments if you find it helpful, and thanks for watching. Cheers now.